Hi, I am Dr. Jagdeep. I am working as a medical oncologist in CCA Amritsar. Chemotherapy basically is drugs which are given to the patients which alter their genetic functions so that the cell death can be a cell death which is not there in the cancer can be initiated, and that the longevity of the cancer cells can be decreased. So the chemotherapy works by altering the genetic function of the cancer cells, by causing a death of the cancer cells and decrease in the proliferation of the cancer cells. The side effects of the cytotoxic chemotherapies usually are in the form of nausea, vomiting. You can be in the form of hair loss, can be form of the hepatitis symptoms like increase in the liver function enzymes, can be other like diarrhea. So these are the most common symptoms which we see with the chemotherapy agents. So these conventional cytotoxic drugs are very effective in treating the cancer, and they still holds very good even in the present era of the immunotherapy and the targeted therapies.